Black Christmas, Black Jesus, Black Witness. Let us feast, gorge ourselves. May we choke on it. Everybody consume. Forget about those outside of your room.
There will be no more white Christmases, long as they don't listen to eyewitnesses. And the nights won't be silent, while the days are still violent. As the world burns, the pig on the spit turns. Shop till you drop, or get killed by a cop. Black Christmas! All is lost, all is blight. Black Christmas! All is lost, all is blight. Wall Street was a slave market before it was the stock market. Lehman Brothers, Brooks Brothers, JP Morgan Chase, Princeton, Yale, Lloyds of London, the Bank of England, the Church of England, all profited from the trade of African slaves. Think about the presents you buy and by whom they were made.
Nativity scene in Bethlehem, today the site of dead Palestinians, saying there's no room at the inn, and closing the borders, it's the same damn thing.
Black Christmas! Terror on earth, good kills more men. Black Christmas! Terror on earth, good kill to all men. Hugo Boss, Kodak, VW, IBM, Nestle, Siemens, Bayer, Standard Oil, Ford Motors, Chase Bank, Coca-Cola, all did business with Nazi Germany under Adolf Hitler.
Merry Christmas.